Stefania. I am back finally. I'm sorry it took so long to upload a new video, but I was trying to learn a little bit about photography and filming in order to help myself because the last two videos they really suck, and I just wanted to give you the useful information. So yeah, today I am talking about blouses because hopefully we're all going back to work and to the office. So yeah, it is one of the worst things for me, trying to choose every morning an outfit that won't get me fired. So yeah, I always go for white and black. And actually, when I was thrifting, I found 5 really nice blouses that became my favorite, and now I wanted to show them to you guys. So yeah, here we go.
I'll start with my favorite one. This is a Crosby neck blouse, which helps us to elongate the upper part of our bodies. Also, I like that it is cinched at the waist, which actually helps us create a sort of peplum shape that gives volume to the hips. For blouses, I like to find interesting sleeves, as you will see during this video. This blouse helps us to define an hourglass shape. It is very useful, especially when wearing slimmer pants. Oversized tops are so comfortable, but usually they make us heavy on the top. In order to avoid it, I like details that attract attention to other parts, in this case my back. And for a better fit, I tucked in the front part. This way I won't look too boxy. And also, don't forget the V-neck. It is a point for this blouse. We can also go for something more classic like this button-up blouse. To create a V-neck, I like to leave my top unbuttoned. Maybe the first or second button is okay. For these blouses, I like to search for soft or floaty materials. If not, I never wear them. And in my opinion, high-rise pants are a must for this blouse because it looks better tucked in. And another oversized blouse. In this one, the distractor are the sleeves. If you go for puffy sleeves, remember to always search for puffiness at the bottom, never the shoulders. But if it's still too shapeless, define the waist by tucking it in. For this one, white pants actually help to equilibrate our figure. And the most oversized blouse I've ever seen. I know it might look too big, but I love the deep V-neck and the super extra wide sleeves. And it also has a little surprise. In the back it has a strappy thing that looks so interesting that if you wear your hair up, it looks just unique. The feeling of freedom inside this blouse is amazing, and it's so intentionally oversized that it's just great.
Well, I really hope that you like the blouses and that you have an idea. I know that maybe the pants do not match everybody, but hey, this body type is for experimenting. So even though oversized is usually not recommended, I actually feel more comfortable with it. So yeah, I prefer it that way. Okay. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you find this information useful, and maybe next video will be about dresses, and maybe you could tell me if you would like short dresses, long dresses, which one, because I love both. And yeah, it is fun. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.